What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to verify your Quotex account. So currently we're on the Quotex website and we're going to create a free account. You're going to put in your details such as your country or region of residence, currency, email address, and password. Then you'll need to tick the checkboxes to confirm your age and declare if or not you're not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. So let's do that. So we have these details filled in and we're going to click on registration. Awesome. So now we're in. The next thing we'll need to do in our verification process is to go over to our email. And then you can see the Quotex notification in our email to confirm our email. So this is one of the verification steps, as this will help to verify your email address. So click on confirm the email. And now, of course, it's taking us to our Quotex account and you can see boldly written here, not verified. That's fine because we're in the right place to start the verification process. You have your email right here and it says verified, but you can see on the right side, documents verification. So here it says you need to fill identity information before verification of the profile, right? So you need to put in your first name, your last name, date of birth, country, address, click on save. And also you'll need to follow with the two-step verification and of course change your password if you want to do that, but this is not necessary. Then of course you have your credit and debit card verification. So you could decide to click on add a new card, but when you click on the add a new card, it says please fill out the identity info section in your profile and click on change identity info button and save changes. Right? So we'll need to do this. Now, as you can see on the left side, we've started filling in our details such as our first name, last name, date of birth, etc. This is basically filled, and that's why the documents verification area is now ready for us to put in some documents. It says please upload a color photo or scanned image of your regular civil passport, driving license, or national identity card. So you'll need to click on upload documents, follow with the easy to follow step-by-step processes right here on the website. And before you know it, you will have been able to verify your Quotex account. We'll be stopping there because the next set of information will be sensitive data, and this step is up to you to follow through. But of course, after opening your Quotex account, go to account, fill in the details, and of course, you have your document verification ready to accept your documents for verification. So these are the steps to follow to verify your Quotex account.